Hi guys, and thanks a lot for listening to this tutorial video on panel data analysis. In this tutorial video, we'll show you what is the panel data configuration. Panel data should be as you can see in this Excel file. In the first column, you need to have a individual name, for example. So we have Benin, which is a country. And let us remember that this Excel file is an Excel file on sub-Saharan African country, in which we have took realization of many indicators such as IMF purchase, PPG, IDA, as well as gross national income and total debt service. And in this database, we're going to show you a panel data to analyze the impact of different factors on total debt service. Each factor are GNI, PG, IDA, and IMF purchase. So come back in configuration of a panel data set. We have country as well as country ID. We will call ID. So we'll see a little bit further why visual ID should be numerical. So we have first country, which is Benin, which is repeated in our sample as much as there are years. So we have data collected from the period 1917 to 2018. So we should repeat every country in this period of time. So we have Benin, which is repeated from 1917 to 2018. We have Burundi, which is repeated in the same period of time. We have any other countries such as Cameroon and so on.